This how to 1 minute will show you how to send an invoice on paper. So if you created a invoice and now you want to send the invoice to a customer, follow these simple steps. Open PayPal, log into your account, click on Pay and Get Paid, and click on Create and Manage Invoices. And here select Invoices, and you will get here all of your created or draft invoices. And to send any invoice, click on the invoice, and if you want to create a new invoice, I've already uploaded a video about how to create an invoice on PayPal. You can find out the video on my YouTube channel. Okay, so once you opened the actual invoice, which one you want to send to customers, click on Send.